Well, hello, boys and girls. We're back. We're back here at math class. All right. You should have these packets that we sent home with you on just before Thanksgiving, last Tuesday. So we're going to get these out. This one here is the Math Module 2 topic B, lessons 4, 4, and 5. All right. So if I open this up, this is our exit ticket that we're going to start today's lesson with. Feel free to tear this out. It might make it a little easier for you. All right, that cover comes off with it. That's okay. Don't need it. All right, so here's our exit ticket. Make sure you put your name on top and the date. We're going to give you about 5 minutes to get through as much of this as possible. Remember, maximum effort when you're doing this, okay? Shake some of that rust off and some of that those turkey feathers off you and try to get this done as best you can. And again, stay focused, 5 minutes. Enjoy. Teachers pause now, and we'll be back in a moment. All right, now we're back. Hope your 5 minutes was good. Hopefully you got through most of this. There were some tough problems here. Some other ones are straightforward, so let's just take a look and see how we did. So the first one is convert the measurements. So if you remember, 1,000 milliliters makes 1 liter, okay? And if that helps you, you can write that down. Over here, like 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, okay? So right here, 6 liters, 127 milliliters, 6,127 milliliters. So we're changing the liters and milliliters all to milliliters. Here, this one was tough to fit in, 706,220 milliliters. Down here, 12 liters, 9 milliliters turns to 12,009 milliliters. You have to put those 2 zeros in to hold your place values. Down here, we had to go the opposite direction. So I took everything past the thousands in the thousands period, and that goes right in here, 906 liters, liters, and then 10 milliliters, all right? Didn't need to put a 0 in front of that 10, okay? Down here, we had to solve. I chose to convert everything to milliliters, then subtract, and then convert it back to liters and milliliters. So my answer here came out to be 59,114 milliliters. That turns into 59 liters for 114 milliliters. And then the last problem, okay, was doing a tape diagram. That was step number 1. Step number 2 was solving it. And then step number 3 was writing it as a complete sentence. So that's what we did. All right, so here shows the whole hot tub capacity of 1,458 liters. So I showed that all capacity here. Mrs. Smith put in 487 liters, 750 milliliters. That's how much she put in. And how much water was needed to fill the rest of it. That's M, how much water. So I just chose M. So M here equals 970,250 milliliters, which turns out to be 970 liters, 250 milliliters. And I wrote that in a complete sentence right here, okay? Hopefully you came up with the same thing. Teachers who need to pause and review this math, go ahead. There's a lot of regrouping and borrowing, which we've been doing. All right, hopefully you guys shook off the rust here and we can get started with today's lesson. We'll be right back.